Hi, my name's Pat Batchelor, and I'm with Do It Yourself Engineering Job Search. And want to just let you know, if you are looking for a job, if you are right out of school and you are looking for the first job in your engineering career, I'd like to invite you to join our Do It Yourself Engineering Job Search course. And we're actually making this the class of 2020 edition. So we're going to tailor this course for recent graduates who are either just graduated or maybe looking to graduate in the spring, in the summer or fall. And we're going to teach you over a 4-week course or workshop on how to find your first engineering job. Now, if you are an engineer, you've already been out in your career and you are some reason stuck because maybe you got laid off because of COVID or something's happened, or you're just looking to take the next step, you're certainly welcome to join the course, because the principles that we're going to teach apply whether you're just out of school or you are further along in your career. However, the examples we're going to use in this class are strictly for engineers who are just getting out of school. So if you would like to join us or join our workshop, I'd like to ask you to email us at workshop@diyejs.com. And you'll see on the side here the URL for that. So shoot us an email. We're going to be starting up in July of 2020. We're going to be starting up in just a few weeks. And we look forward to having you in the course. I think you're going to enjoy it. We're going to try and have fun. You're going to learn some neat tricks and tips. And I think we're going to help position you to get your first job. Now, one thing, a clear disclaimer, is I don't create jobs. I don't have an ability to just go snap my fingers and there's going to be a job there for you. But what I will guarantee you is that you will be able to put yourself in a position of being able to talk directly with the hiring manager, the person who has the ability to say yes or no for most any job that's out there in your area. So wanted to invite you to come join us. We're going to have fun and look forward to seeing you shortly. Take care and have a great day.